Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain reward from silent egg grabbing machine in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, the silent egg grabbing machine is one of the items from the winter frost season. After you claim or after you obtain the machine, you can place it in your home. Then you can get reward from it. But you need to remember guys, you can't obtain reward from your own machine, and you need to go to the other DG members machine to obtain reward. And I decided to go to this player's machine to check whether the player or the DG members has the machine or not. You can go to the mailbox, and if they have the machine, it will appear on the mailbox. You can see the silent egg here, right? It's above the mailbox, and then you just need to search for the machine, and it's right here. Then to obtain the reward, you can click on this icon. Oh, and I got this item, and then I'm going to claim it. Oh, I got white Highland poppy seed. Okay, and then you can visit the other DG members' home to obtain the reward. Just click on the machine and then you will get the reward. Okay guys, and that's how you can obtain reward from silent egg grabbing machine in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!